So guys, I'm reporting this with a very sad I was very sad when I was making this video because something has just happened to one of Jamaican most beautiful athletes ever, which is Briana Williams. So I'll be reporting to you guys each and everything you need to know that has happened to her right now, because she went on her official Instagram account and she announced something that was very heartbreaking, and it is also shocking. So before I continue with the video and telling you everything you need to know, first I will beg you to kind of subscribe to the YouTube channel in case you haven't, because it's very important, so you guys are not gonna miss my next future upload. And also don't forget to like this video, it is also very important. So we all know that Briana Williams was able to help Jamaica to win the 4x100-meter gold in Olympic last 2 years in Tokyo. Like, Briana Williams did her best and she helped the Jamaican in winning gold, but unfortunately this year Briana Williams was not given the opportunity to participate in the 4x100-meter in Budapest final. But Briana Williams was not that, she was not bothered about it. And if you can remember clearly, this year has not been favorable for Briana Williams because she has not been able to even run sub 11 seconds since last 2 years. Briana Williams has been running poor times, and we don't know whom to blame about it. Recently she changed her coach from the American coach that usually used to change to coach her, and now she is coaching in Jamaica. Well, we hope Briana Williams will come back stronger because she is beautiful, and she will bring more audience to track and field. So before wasting much of your time, let's get into the main title of this video, which is Briana Williams is ending her season. So this is what she wrote on her official Instagram account yesterday. She said, "My 2023 season has finally wrapped itself up, and it's time to enjoy a little off season. No longer sappy caption. I am really grateful to have finished my last race healthy and injury free. This year had more downs than ups, but it's all part of the process as an athlete, with my hard work, dedication, and my faith in God. I know He has bigger and better plans for me stored. Anyways, thank you for all the support throughout this season. It truly is heartwarming." So this is what Briana Williams was able to post on her official Instagram account. All what she's trying to say, for those of you that don't understand this write-up, is that she's just trying to pass the message that she is finally ending her season. She will be racing no more in 2023 alone. Do not get me wrong. What I mean is, she will not be racing any longer in 2023. Once it is New Year, which is January 1st, she will begin her season. So this is what she meant by this post, because a lot of you are not understanding this post. It's not as if she's actually gonna end her career or maybe the whole of her season for the next years, but for just this year 2023, her season has come to an end. We are praying and hoping that Briana Williams should come back stronger, powerful, healthy, and fit in 2024 January 1st, which will be a very hot preparation for Paris, because Paris is going to be it's going to be big. It's an Olympic championship. It's the biggest competition for any athlete in the world. So a lot of athletes will be preparing way more harder. Let me know what you think in the comment.